Triangle 14. We have a 45, 45, 90 right triangle. In a 45, 45, we know across from these 45s have to be the same length because it's an isosceles right triangle. So x and y, once I find one, the other's the exact same. Now, what did I do? What's the rule for a 45, 45, 90 to get from this side to the hypotenuse? How much larger is the hypotenuse than these sides? Well, we know that it is root 2 times larger than this side. I multiply this guy by root 2 to get here. So to get back, I divide by root 2. So since I multiplied by square root of 2 to get 1, to get back I got to divide that 1 by root 2 to figure out what x is. So x is simply 1 divided by square root of 2. However, we cannot have a radical in the denominator, so we're going to have to rationalize that denominator. To do that, we simply always take whatever's there, which is root 2, put it here and up there. That way we'll have this is worth 1, and when we do the root 2 times root 2, the bottom will become a 2 down here. And now up top, 1 times root 2 is simply root 2. So instead of writing x as 1 divided by root 2, it's the same thing as saying root 2 over 2. It's half of a root 2 basically. But this is the way we write it, root 2 over 2. So if x is root 2 over 2, this y is the same thing, root 2 over 2. Just be careful, think. We multiplied by root 2 to get here, so to move back to it, we divide by root 2. Triangle 14.